Hey guys, wonderful day today, nice and warm, and I'm about to head out. Mm, don't know where to, but we'll find out. So today it looks up here completely different, no cloud in sight. Hey guys, so I'm at the Mirador de Isora. Unfortunately, it's closed, so I can't go in there. I see it in the back here a little bit, but yeah, they have a big sign, so it's still amazing even from here, just to see how far you can see. Just to have that vast ocean, just an amazing thing. Here now the view of the Mirador, you can see that there are different levels from which you have different views of this amazing landscape. Cameras at work, as you can see, and it's pretty high up here. See the the viewpoint in the back, but it's kind of closed. Doesn't really bother anybody though. They go anyway. Yeah, but it's a really amazing place. Yeah, it just puts everything into perspective, because at this ridge here, it probably goes down like, I don't know, hundreds of meters. I would say 300-400. Isora is situated at a height of 800 to 900 meters. So how did I come up with like 400 meters, 400 meters down? I don't know, because I guess, if it's situated at a height of like 800 to 900 meters and there's sea level, I guess, the drop-off is not, 300 to 400 or something like that. It is really 800 to 900 meters. And then all you see in the back is ocean. And I really truly believe that's what we are at the end, that vastness. Today I saw this this yoga video, this yogi, he was doing his practice on this mat that you could see all the time with a big logo on it. I think it's always funny, and then it's all about like, I am everything, I'm one with everything. But why don't they save their breath? It just annoys so much out of me that I don't want to say and can't say on YouTube. So because it doesn't make any sense. I mean, what does this mean? I think we can't really put a person anywhere and say, you're unlimited, you are one with nature, you are connected to it all, because just because we don't understand it, because we're in a body, we don't know what this is all about, and then we don't know what this means. But here in a place like this, you kind of get a glimpse of who you are because of the vastness of it all. And yeah, that changes. That changes one, because
then you have an idea. Then you can say, maybe I'm really more than I thought I am. And look at this, this endless ocean. I'm not really sure on which side we are, but it might be that there's nothing this way, or maybe there's Africa this way. I'm not 100% sure which side this is right now. Or, you can swim all the way to the States from here. So that's a way to show people, who they truly are. Nature is a way, nothing else. I mean, not some yogi on a mat that has a stupid logo on that stupid mat, who does some sort of arm balance and then says, look, I'm the breath. I can't say it. Anyway, so that's why I'm happy that I'm here, because this here really, this shows you yoga. You can have an experience on a mat, but you can't show a mat and somebody doing an exercise on a mat and call it yoga, because it's only an exercise. It's only preparation. So to me, this is the real deal, This is where we can see who we truly are. And that's also how we do understand it. I don't think there's any other way to understand it than, well, yoga is an experience. So it's all about experiencing it. And all else is just bull, It's just a way to sell a class, or to occupy the mind with something that is as stupid as the other stuff the mind is occupied with. This is what I wanted to say to this guy today. I want to say, save your breath, Oh, I'm the breath. I'm the yoga. I can do an arm balance. I'm better than you. So stupid. But here we can have an actual experience. Here we can really be one with nature. Such an amazing island. Nature is the true teacher. I'm not a teacher. I can't teach you anything that you don't have already. And ultimately, nature can't teach you what you don't have already either. But it can give you like an insight. It can give you a preview. It can give you a glimpse into who you truly are. And then I think I truly believe that. I just have to be careful that I don't knock over my tripod here, because I just see that I can catch it on time. Because I don't think I'll be the same person when I leave this place here. I don't. I made a mess here on my... what's this? I think I'll be a different person when I leave. Such amazing moments here. So, nature is the true teacher. No human being ever can be. I mean, some teachers really understood it. They just sat there and you could sit with them and just feel the energy. But it's moments like this that really teach us. And nothing else. That's it. Well, what else could it be? Some guy who came up with a new method to make it all work, make the unworkable, that never worked before, finally work? I don't think so. It's always the same thing. It's just somebody who wants to sell you something. And fun to buy stuff, you know, but I will not do much. Well, maybe you feel good about it, you know, like to spend the money and that's good too, you know, put some money into you, but that's pretty much it. That's all. All else is purely illusionary and will never work.
So while I gave my little speech, the camera was hard at work, so sorry about the clicking noises. Let's see what it came up with after shooting, I think, like 700 images or so.
That was amazing. Well, now I said it again. Amazing. Man, that's not supposed to be my word anymore. It's 6 o'clock. That was fun. It's actually like that, I can do it without stress. I can try things out. I can try different lenses. Piece, I can get the drone up. It's fantastic. Couldn't be better. There's no need to stress about anything. So I think there's another view point here, but I don't know, it's a bit late, even though the light obviously now is unbelievably beautiful. Fuentes in Isora. This is not really in the best shape here, and we're losing totally the light, but oh man, I don't know, I'll do it anyway, you know. Really hard to walk here. Wow, look at this. Just goes all the way down here. Wow. That must have taken so much effort to build. Here you can see. I was able to land the drone safely. What an amazing day. What an amazing view from up here as well. And yeah. Well, thanks to the inner, but also thanks to the outer.
Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.